Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Donski Vlog. And for today's video guys, we are going to make a chicken sandwich from a leftover chicken wings. Hi guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I already prepared the ingredients that I'm going to use for my chicken sandwich. I have a cucumber, I have also the lettuce, and then buns or any kind of bread, whatever available inside your house. I have a poke cheese cream. This is only the cheese that available in my house, so any kind of cheese that available in your house. So of course I have the chicken wings, the leftover chicken wings. So guys, as you can see, it's really simple. The ingredients is really simple, and it was easy to make. Of course, from the leftover chicken wings, you're gonna make it a simple and easy chicken sandwich. Guys, you can also put ketchup or hot sauce if you want. So what we're going to do guys, let's make it now.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
This is the finished product of my chicken sandwich guys, and it's really simple and easy to make as long as you have a leftover chicken, and then you have lettuce, mayonnaise, and anything that our sandwich can be yummy. This sandwich is also healthy because you put some vegetable, cucumber and lettuce. And that's it guys. From a leftover chicken wings, you're gonna make a very simple and easy but healthy chicken sandwich. So I hope you like my video for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Donski Vlog, and I hope you like this video, and then share it to anyone and comment down below. Thank you for watching guys. God bless all.